Hello, everyone. I'm Mike Duncan with Industrial Finishes. I want to thank you for taking a couple minutes of your busy schedule to share with me so that I can share a message with you that I think is particularly timely in the day and age that we currently live in. We know that anytime a customer has been in an auto accident, that's an inherently stressful time. They're not expecting that. No one gets up in the morning and plans to get in a wreck that day, but it happens. And there's a tremendous amount of stress that comes along with being involved in an automobile accident. God forbid that there's an injury. We certainly hope that that's never the case, but we do know that that is an unfortunate part of our industry, something that can add additional stress to our customer. There's also insurance uncertainty. We pay a lot of money for insurance policies, and we hope that in the event that we have to use it, that we'll be taken care of. We've also probably got a deductible that we're staring down and thinking, how am I going to come up with unexpected cash to pay this deductible? All of that leads to an incredibly stressful set of circumstances, not to mention the loss of control. You, in some cases, watched a tow truck haul your vehicle away. That is a significant loss of control over your life, your schedule, and your future. As we know, we deal with this every day. This causes customers a tremendous amount of anxiety. Now, you take those set of trying circumstances and you put that under the umbrella of broader economic and political and global uncertainty and just the day-to-day stress that we hear continuously in the news cycle. Your customer is arriving at your shop far more stressed than they've ever been in the past. There's some science behind this. So let's talk about this. Clarity doesn't eliminate risk, but it restores rational thinking. When someone comes into your shop after an accident, the amount of stress and that loss of control eliminates their ability to think rationally. They're not making the very best decisions that they can at that particular point in time. Your job as a body shop is to give them the assurance and the confidence that they're in good hands. If you can put them back on the path of rational thinking, they're going to reward the shop that did so. And we want that to be you. It's easy to get overwhelmed today, very easy to get overwhelmed, both you and your customer. You do this a lot. This is your day-to-day life. It's also possible for you to become a little underwhelmed. Your job in today's environment, stay whelmed. Customers don't expect perfection. Nobody in today's day and age expects perfection. What they want, what they need, and what they'll have a difficult time communicating is that they expect a capable grown up to be in charge. That's the most important thing. In other words, they just want to know that there's somebody calm who's at the helm. They want to know that someone calm is in charge. That peace of mind is just as important to them as the eventual repair of their vehicle. You're going to lead from a position of experience. The customer may have been in their very first auto accident ever, but it's not your first accident. You've done this before. In an uncertain world where we never know what to expect next, we've got uncertainty surrounding insurance companies. We've got uncertainty surrounding how we're going to manage our day-to-day lives without a vehicle. Maybe we've got uncertainty around our rental car coverage, you name it. We're uncertain about everything associated with this incident. But the one thing that we can guarantee is your experience and your expertise. Those things are not uncertain. Those things are not up for question. Those are things that your customer can count on. Customers also need to know what to expect during the process. They're not asking you for a tremendous amount of detail. What they want to know is you have a plan you followed before successfully, and you're going to follow it successfully again on this customer's behalf. That little bit of peace of mind, helping to reduce that uncertainty, goes a long way towards you getting that repair order. Your customers are also looking for resources. They're not expecting anybody at this point to roll up their sleeves and go to battle for them. What they do want to know is that you understand the environment, you understand the nature of the negotiations with insurance companies, and that you're able to provide a resource to them if they need it and have something they need to pursue. In other words, you're on their side. Transparency is always important, especially during the estimate process. A lot of times but this becomes literal. I can see the damage to my car, but I can't see all the damage to my car. And so being transparent with not only the estimate, but with the repair process, and to be very upfront and honest about the circumstances and things that may unfold during this process, whether that be mechanically and fixing the car or from a business standpoint and negotiating with an insurance company, you're going to be transparent with them. You're going to be open and honest with them, even if the news might not be good. And when it comes time to close, you're going to close with a message of support. We've got this. We'll take it from here. You've come to the right place. We've done this before. Those are incredibly important messages because what did I mention? Customers want to know that someone calm is in charge. And that's what you need to convey to them. And the body shops that are able to do that the best are the ones that are going to really succeed in today's very difficult environment. And I know that this doesn't extend just to our customers. You as a small business owner, you may be feeling a little bit of stress right now. The world is a challenging place. And when you work with industrial finishes, my sincere hope is that you believe that someone calm is in charge and that we have conveyed to you that we've done this before. We were here yesterday. We'll be here tomorrow to support your business. If we can help you in any way, please let us know. We really look forward to the opportunity. I really appreciate you taking just a couple minutes out of your day so that we can have this type of discussion. I do believe it's important. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.